Hey gang, I'm here to show you a quick and easy way to make gloves for your cosplay. You'll need stretch fabric, pins, scissors, a Sharpie, iron-on tearaway stabilizer, and an iron. Cut 2 squares of the stabilizer large enough to fit your hand and wrist. Trace around your hand onto the rough side of the stabilizer. You'll want to widen the wrist a bit to make sure you can get your hand into the glove. Next, cut 2 squares of your fabric that are roughly the same size as your stabilizer and lay them right sides together. 4-way stretch fabrics have one direction with a greater degree of stretch. Pin your stabilizer to the fabric with the greater degree along the width of your palm. Iron both sides for a few seconds to attach the stabilizer, then pin loosely around the edges of the fabric to secure them together. Set your machine to a zigzag stitch and shorten your stitch length. Now, sew roughly 1/8 of an inch along the outside of your traced line. For a smoother curve at the fingertip, you can slow down or walk the fabric through the machine, being sure to pivot the fabric whenever it's necessary. When you reach the bottom of each finger, you're going to walk the fabric through again, sewing in a U shape instead of a V shape. This is going to make it a lot easier to cut out in the end. Ta-da! Please don't shame me for my messy seams, but here you can see the U shape and how far away from the line I typically sew. Now tear all that paper off and try that bad boy on. Ooh! Ah! Use this opportunity to check your fingertips and seams to see if any adjustments are needed. I knew I would be cutting my long nails, so I decided to shorten the thumb. You should probably make your adjustments with Tailor's chalk because the magenta Sharpie definitely showed through on the right side of this fabric. Whoops! Once everything is how you want it, go ahead and cut the glove out of the square. Because this is spandex, you can cut closely to the seam without worrying about fraying. At the base of each finger, make sure you carefully cut as close as possible to the seam. Turn your glove inside out, and there you have it! You made a glove! Good job! You can hem the ends if you'd like, but I never do when I know they will be covered. If you liked this tutorial and like to see more of this or my cosplay shenanigans, go ahead and whack that subscribe button. Have a great day!